We're all about reducing redundancies and keeping everything within a vertical space. The Kornit is a completely vertical printer, so it's doing the printing and the curing within one system.
Not only are we able to further streamline our workflow with the Presto, we're actually also able to reduce our raw material costs because we're no longer needing the paper material in order to, run the print process.
Historically, where we may have kept thousands or hundreds of thousands of yards of fabric for potential orders, we are now able to gear every day's production to what's absolutely necessary. No longer do we have any overproduction or excess waste. Everything is truly printed on demand.
Not only from a physical footprint perspective, but also from an efficient, streamlined production perspective. We're eliminating one step of the process, and it's just making things more efficient for our operators. Taking one step out of our manufacturing process has now enabled us to allow our employees to learn new areas of our business. Now we're allowing multiple people within our company to learn how to operate the Presto. And we're doing a tremendous amount of cross-training where before our employees didn't have the time to learn new things because they were focusing in on their particular function.
It's user-friendly, it's definitely easier than I thought it would be. With no previous print experience or print knowledge, I was able to pick it up within a matter of days.
The built-in computer right at the screen of production on the Kornit has been extremely beneficial for us because it enables us to do step and repeats right at the printer as opposed to having to send pre-prepared files. If we find that we're having issues hitting a particular color, we're able to tweak the settings and then they're very easy to rerun the samples.
We're blown away with the speed of the machine. I think we've really put the machine and its capabilities through the ringer. We're trying to stress test it as much as possible, and so far it's really held up and stayed true to the message that Kornit has printed and stood behind.